Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a little bit more low-key. I'm a little bit tired coming back from my trip. I know it's been like a couple days since I've been back, but I've been tired since coming back, so yeah, just a little bit more low-key for today's video. It's gonna just be pretty much a mail day video. Couple things. Maybe I'll open up this one first. This was I was actually supposed to get this during like Christmas-ish kind of. This is from Paul or Polly D from my subscriber list. Yeah. I know I'm laughing right now only because like the whole issue about what happened with this was so my mailbox is a little bit farther from me but a little closer to my work. I filed a thing that my package was missing because it said got delivered, and I got the notification earlier this week that they finally put it in my box. So I was like, okay, like a month later, you know. But yeah, he sent me a card. Well, he sent me two cards. One I can read on the air, and one I opened up already, and a couple other things. So I'm gonna be opening up this, and then a couple other things, and then some things I got on my trip. So enough of me rambling, like a couple minutes of rambling. So let's go ahead and open. This is oh goodness, you see, Merry Christmas. It's already like almost end of January, so I'll probably read it off for you guys. So put it on here so you guys can read along with me. So wishing you joy and happiness. I can't read. Happiness at Christmas and for the new year ahead. Dear Miss Java, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for the wonderful content that you share with us all. I appreciate getting to know you. You are a great person and are full of energy at times. Your content makes me laugh and smile all the time. Keep up the amazing work, and I'll happily tune in every time. Take care, and may 2026, the new year, treat you well. From Polly D2406, aka Paul, with a little happy face at the end, and said, P.S. May your San Jose Sharks hockey team get better and make the playoffs to add a smile to your face. You're only allowed to lose to my Detroit Red Wings. Oh goodness. Alright, let's see. Send me a little package. So honestly, I thought this package was lost. I did file a package not received claim with USPS, and they did some quote-unquote investigating, and they said it was delivered per the what is that, the tracking info, but I'm like, it's not there. So I kind of gave up and thought it's not going to be there. But then earlier this week I got a notification email that something got delivered to my box, and lo and behold, it's this package. Like, you know, I was like, oh goodness. But yeah, better late than never. So we're gonna go through and see what Paul has sent to me. Ooh, it's a good amount of stuff in here. So we have a EV VMAX. It's a Black Star promo. I want to say I have this card, but I'm not 100% sure. But whether or not I have duplicates, these get added to my Eevee binder, which I'll show in a later video. We have a Sylveon VMAX. Ooh, Umbreon, Black Star promo. Vaporeon. Another Vaporeon. Oh, this is a little bit older, from 2019. Not 100% sure what set this is from, but I know for sure I don't have this card. Glaceon, Sylveon, Jolteon, Eevee Full Art, another Eevee VMAX, Jolteon, Glaceon GX. Ooh. I want to say I've seen this card at a shop I went to, but I wasn't buying anything at the time. If I was buying anything, it was probably sealed more than anything, but this is going to be a nice addition to my binder. Another Glaceon V. We have Larion V, and we have the Glaceon. This is more of a older card. I cannot remember what set this is from, but it is older. This is it says down here 2009. So more vintage card. Do like this. But yeah, all these are going to be going into my Eevee binder. Thank you, Paul, for the special gift. Do appreciate it, and appreciate you for always supporting the channel. Okay, let's see some other stuff. Couple things. This is another one's altogether. This came with the 3D prints, so I have. Oh, my light just turned out. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, Jesus. What is that? Weird. Just died on me. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Let's see if I can get this to. Sorry. Get this to. There we go. Yeah. The light just turned out my last light. Anyway. Imagine if I did this video live. Oh my gosh. I do not edit these videos, by the way. If I do, it's just like very minor edits, if anything. So anyways, back to my video. This came with 3D prints, so got a Arcanine, Dragonite. Oh, let me move this out of the way. Dragonite. I do gotta probably like glue the little antennas. I did take the little supports off, so that's probably my oopsie. I wasn't as careful as I should have been, and the antennas, Dragonite's antennas, just popped off. This big boy, Snorlax. It's a little massive. I love Snorlax though. I was like, oh my gosh, so big. And then my favorite was they had the shiny Umbreon, so for sure I'm gonna be keeping that on camera, on screen. Let's replace. Boom. I don't know if I want to keep the Arcanine. I don't know. go back there. He's in hiding. Alright, let's see. I don't remember what cards I'm getting in this package. These are more older, I want to say. I'm gonna go ahead and just open up both. Okay, let's see. Did get a little bit bent, but that's okay. We have Dratini, the Diglett. This one's a little warped. Probably gonna press it into a book to try and Latin it. Nidorina, Metapod, Zubat. I don't know exactly what trainer card this is though. We have Blaine's Growlithe, Ponyta, Blaine's Rapidash, Coughing from Rocket Set, Zubat, Golduck, Dark Golduck, a Misty Golduck, Dark Golbat, Hollow, Dark Weezing. Ooh, sorry guys. Articuno. Get that back in there. It's a hollow. So it's a cool little vintage pickup. Typhlosion. The Aerodactyl from Fossil. Okay. Move that out of the way. Then a couple other pickups. We have a couple e-readers. Hoppip. Marie. I'll put that up there because it's like cute. Actually, you know what? I'll just leave it together. Giovanni's Magikarp. Dratini. This one's like super cute. I like the Dratini art for this one. Sabrina's Hypno, Farfetch'd, Spinarak, Recycle, Charmander, Topps Chrome, Ninetales, Suicune. Suicune's one of my favorite legendary dogs. And then Raikou, or Raikou, however you guys wanna pronounce it. Yeah, so more older cards from there. Probably buy from them again probably like next month or so. Alright, so now to what I got over the weekend. I did take a short trip out of town to go to a convention, and I got these over there. Thought it was a cool little pickup, little trading card thing, trading card game. Sorry, my mind is just like right now. So all right, so a couple of loose cards. We have I'm not really 100% sure. I'm gonna see if I could learn how to play this game. It's called Royalty card game. It's like a little party game. It's like 2 to 6 players. Yeah, was watching a couple videos, the how-to videos you're gonna see. So we're just gonna go through and see what cards. So these are all actually like exclusive to the convention. So this is Almadin. Then we have Berkeley. And then this is the pack. Yeah, so I got like 10 packs. So this is I'm just rambling at this point. We're gonna go ahead and open it. This is from Royalty card game. I think that, oh, you know what? They did like perforation so you can make it easier to open the packs. So we have Berkeley again, Almadin, Clara. Ooh, so we have a hollow SC group, Beach Party, I do like that these are perforated, so it's easier to open. Berkeley, Almadin, Clara, FC Group, and Beach Party. I honestly don't know if they're gonna be duplicates. Well, I am getting duplicates, but what exactly, like, if there's any different stuff, we'll see. Berkeley, Almadin. I'm just gonna go through these really quick. See if maybe we get a couple different. Nope. Oop. I just bought a bunch of packs because, you know, just why not? Probably end up like about learning how to actually play. Maybe buy like a starter deck or something. But yeah, I think these are actually all pretty much the same. If I can probably like leave one sealed, or yeah, looks like everything's pretty much more or less, you know, the same thing. So maybe I should have just got like a couple. But you know what, that's okay. I think the proceeds for buying these actually goes to not 100% sure, but I think it goes to a charity. I don't know, might be like, I think, what charity did they have on site? It's like a Street Dog Coalition, I think. So I should have stopped by the booth, but I think from what I know is they're what they do is they provide care for homeless and their dogs or their pets, I think. Don't quote me on that because I didn't stop by the booth, but I think that's what it was when I read a short description. But yeah, I'm gonna leave one sealed. But yeah, that's just a couple things that I got. Yeah, so that's it for my mail day. Just a little bit more low-key. This video went on longer than I thought it was gonna go because I'm over here rambling. But yeah, just a little bit low-key because my energy's a little bit on the low side. So yeah, a little bit more. Everything's all slanted. But yeah, do appreciate you guys stopping by. If you are here till the end, thank you. I do appreciate it. Probably I'm still using the same setup. I know I said I was gonna hopefully by this video or the next one I was gonna be on my new setup, but yeah. It's gonna take a little bit longer than I want to, because I'm still trying to clean up the office and organize it how I want it, and I'm just not really picky, but I guess I can't say I'm picky about where I want things to be. So yeah, probably, hopefully, don't quote me on that, by next month I might have my new setup ready to go. What else? Giveaway wise, probably next month as well, just because I am tired, and it is also end of the month, so probably won't have do a giveaway for this month like I wanted to. What else? I think that's it. If anything, you can follow the Discord for updates. Yeah, I think that's about it. Sorry, you guys. But yeah, do appreciate you guys sticking around. Please take care of yourselves. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.